Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1200, and today's topic is symptoms and global cancer therapy, and this is very burning topic, not today always. Within few decades time lot of research is done, and I am delivering this lecture because last week the president of Russia, Putin, proposed during one seminar lecture. He went to address the seminar that was in Moscow to address the scientists, and that was the forum of new technologies in the science. And he claimed, rather he proposed that very soon Russian scientists are ready to bring the vaccine against cancer. But when we are talking of cancer, there are variety of cancer. He did not mention, only he mentioned the word cancer. So this news is like a nuclear bomb, a bombshell in global market of cancer. That is, we call it cancer therapy global marketing. And today, the cancer therapy global market is 409 billion US dollar. The global cancer therapy market is 409 billion US dollar. It's the biggest market, and the rest of all market, in pharmaceuticals, like the drug produced to treat diabetes, dermatology means skin disorder, then rheumatoid arthritis, that is your autoimmune disease, some viral infection. All together, some is 30, 40, 50 billion market. But if we are talking of cancer, it is 409 billion, and out of which only USA is having 180 billion dollar share. And the first number, that is most of the cancer patients, they are in Southeast Asia. First number goes to China, followed by India, and then USA. And if it is true, I believe very soon, once we get cancer vaccine from Russia, believe me, Russia will become superpower. Superpower in the sense that all the treatment, pharmaceuticals, everything will be around Russia. Lot of infrastructure will be created. Like today, in globally, it is the costliest treatment, that is cancer. And if the word cancer comes to any family, it is a pain, it is a suffering, not to only one individual, it's whole family. And that whole family is suffering up to once the losing of the loved one, and secondly, the financially they become bankrupt. Sometimes if they cannot afford, they have to sell their properties and wealth to get the money, because cancer treatment is the costliest. In America, it starts from 100 to 300,000 US dollar. In USA, it goes to 100 to 1000 to 300,000 US dollar. So the treatment is very, very costly. Infrastructure, it is having lot of treatment technologies involved, like radiotherapy, chemotherapy, surgery, and some other drugs. So lot of things, and at the same time pain. And on 4th of February, WHO celebrated the World Day of Cancer, just to bring the awareness in global population and to understand this health condition, disease that is called cancer. And this World Cancer World Day was born in the year 2000. In the millennium, they started celebrating the World Cancer Day by WHO, and they have given some directives. And their first, object to educate the masses, people globally. And their slogan is, if we are together, we are stronger than cancer. And I used to say, why should we commit suicide? Why cancer cells push us to commit suicide rather than we are very intelligent, we should push cancer cells to commit suicide. Cancer is the disease of mind and brain and willpower and hope. Mental power, family support is very, very important, because if we are not having family support, the cancer patient journey is alone on the road of the cancer. So he should not be left alone. We should give family support, love, affection, all motivation, and all informations which are available. And why I am saying that Russia will be the superpower, in the sense that the whole global pharmaceuticals and all these companies will be around Russia. Russia is already power in energy sector, in hydrocarbon. And in spite of sanction by America on Russia, disconnecting from SWIFT banking of US dollar, that is Americans' first primary sanction to any country, because 95% world trade and transaction is done by US dollar. And Russia was disconnected. To just punish the Russia because Russia attacked Ukraine. But you will be surprised to know today, Russian scientists are very active. You have heard this news, proposing the vaccine for cancer. And Russia today became the most powerful economy in Europe. Before it was Germany, now it is overtaken. So during this sanction, Russia grew very fast and maintaining its research and scientific emerging technologies moving. And it is really very much interesting to know that under this circumstances, still Russia is energy giant, technology giant, and also in artificial intelligence and in space technology. Russia is super. So today, I have already mentioned that if we are talking of chip, semiconductor chip, superpower is Taiwan. If we are talking of phone, automobile, South Korea is superpower, China, and Japan in automobile. And if it comes true that vaccine is effective, then definitely the other superpower in medicine, in cancer, in all pharmaceutical companies, their production, infrastructure, Russia is going to be superpower. The only thing is that America is superpower, that is in firepower, that is military equipments. So the things are changing drastically in health sector and as well as in energy sector. In spite of the fact that sanction is there and even Russia was not allowed to export its crude oil, but still all European countries, they are getting the energy source, gas from Russia through India. So everything is going on. And what Russian president proposed, that one is vaccine, and second is they have synthesized, that is called immunomodulator. Immunomodulator is very, very important drug, that is called so he is claiming two things. One, that is vaccine for cancer, and second powerful drug, that is immunomodulator. Immunomodulator means, in a simple language, you can say that drastically to boost your immune system. And I have already delivered 2 lectures, even that I have sent yesterday and day before yesterday about the vaccine of the cancer, that is DNA vaccine, and about the cancer cells. So again, I am going to give you in brief the meaning of cancer cell. If anybody who is diagnosed on the basis of tests that he is suffering from cancer, it indicates that his immune system is failing or his immune system failed, so that the cancer cells overtaken. Because everybody on this earth is with cancer cells. No human being is without cancer cell. The only thing is that once it is multiplied into billions, where the test can detect. Once it is detected, it means already in huge quantity, in numbers, they are present in our body. And once they are present means the person who is having this is having some reasons. First, he must be having some multiple nutritional deficiencies in food, vitamin, balanced diet, lifestyle. And then, secondly, he is taking such type of acidic food or junk food or heavy food where his body is not in position to convert into calories, and he is regularly having oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is the main cause where our body is having cancer cells. Because oxidative stress means those free radicals which are produced in our body in large number, then they will not allow our normal body cells to synthesize new proteins. Out of our DNA will be damaged, RNA will be damaged, and RNA is the messenger ribonucleic acid, and RNA is responsible of multiplying the protein, and new cells are produced. So this is the medicinal chemistry here. So it is related to immune system. Now, what are the symptoms? Symptoms means from very beginning, without any reason getting fever, very frequent infection, tiredness, unnecessary bleeding without any reason. Then your body will be having some pale color, and your energy level will be very low. So all these symptoms, always cough, woofing, you will be having nose running. So these symptoms are there that may be the cause of your cancer, but the cancer, it depends upon which type of in your body, whether it is lung cancer, blood cancer, liver cancer, cervical cancer, variety of cancers are there, whether it is in the form of tumor or lump. But overall, those abnormal cells which becomes cancerous means we are always having oxidative stress and our immune system is totally compromised. So here it is globally some of the vegetables and fruits are recommended that if we are taking regularly or we are adding in our diet, at least the chances of developing or multiplying more and more abnormal cancer cell will be reduced, or the risk of cancer will be reduced. And at moment in Nigeria, that is human papillon virus. So that is called HPV. HPV, human papilloma virus. So this human papilloma virus is affecting lot of Nigerians, and every year in Nigeria there are 1.5 million cases of HPV. And for this virus, I mean, there is no treatment. So the German and British, they are trying to develop the vaccine. They are in final stages, their company Merck, to treat, that is HPV, then also hepatitis B, that is, you can call it towards liver cancer, cervical cancer, and they have started treating up to thousands of people, and their aim is to go up to 2030. After that, they will establish that this particular vaccine is effective to all, that is HPV virus. And this one, why in Nigeria it is very high, this infection that is viral. This is HPV is different from HIV. The other one is called HIV. HIV, that is human immunovirus. So HIV is bringing the disease that is called AIDS, that is acquired immune disease syndrome, that is AIDS. So, but the other one is, that is HPV, that is human papilloma virus. And this one is actually, if the people are having some cut, some in skin, or maybe they are not having safe sex, they are womanizer, they are always involved in lot of dirty sex. That is the main reason of such type of infection, that is called HPV infection, and it's very high in percentage in Nigeria. I have already told you that is 1.5 million cases every year. And in according to WHO report, every year 9.7 million people are dying out of cancer. That is very much alarming. and I wish that the Russian proposed anti-cancer vaccine is successful, so that from this earth such type of we can say disease which is just like a bullet. I mean, just like a bullet means you are on deathbed once. Anybody who is hearing that he has got full-blown cancer, and for this reason, to how to boost your oxidative, problem, to boost your immune system to counter oxidative stress. There are some plants which are rich in antioxidants. They can neutralize or they can clear the free radicals, and this I will show the photograph of those plants. Some we can say they are like your basil, tulsi in Indian language, soya, that is dill, turmeric, ginger, broccoli. All these are rich source of antioxidants. So I am showing here clear image of the medicinal herbs, and they are very much effective if you keep on these herbs and add in your diet. And they are parsley, basil, turmeric, thymus, cephalum, rosemary, aloe, dill, green tea, mint, and red clover. So these one will be effective, and you will be free of oxidative stress. Now this green spirulina, the image what you can see here in packed capsule as well as in powder form, it is available, and this is one of the best remedy if you are taking once it is diagnosed maybe in primary stage, so that it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress, it can improve your immune system drastically, and globally this one is very popular anti-cancer natural product. So finally, in previous lecture I have already mentioned that if in case doctors are diagnosing that your body immune system is failing and you are becoming cancerous, please allow the cancer cells to commit suicide. Means don't feed them. So their best feed of food, we can say, first is sugar. Stop sugar. Second is milk. It feed on mucus. Stop it. Third is acidic condition. Acidic food means all the red meat, because these cancer cells, they multiply very fast in acidic medium. Change your whole food system to alkaline, means add 80 to 90% fruit and vegetable. And thirdly, which is very important, cancer cells cannot survive in oxygenated atmosphere. So once you are doing you are doing exercise, and where you are getting lot of oxygen, your cells are oxygenated, they will knock down. So even some people nowadays, they are going for oxygen therapy. So oxygen therapy and combined with exercise, people are claiming that some people, they are getting recovery. So this is also one of the method. But finally, let me tell you, keep your mind free from tension, from greed, from enmity. Once your brain is free, means relaxed, peaceful, is also one of the way to reduce the acidic condition in your body, and you can fight the cancer by willpower, by strength, by family support. So my good wishes to all the people who are having some problem of cancer. Don't give up and fight it. With this, once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.